So today we're going to be doing a Gmetrix walkthrough on Windows. You're just going to want to go on your browser, search Gmetrix, sign up using your school email. I already signed up, so I'm just going to sign in. Next, you're just going to go to redeem code on the left. Your code is going to be on your Blackboard in whichever course is requiring you to get the Excel certification. So you just have to type that code there. I don't have to do that because I already put it in. So next you're going to go to Excel 365 down below, click on it and click whichever exam you so desire. I'm just going to click on that and then you're going to hit new test, but then the tests below are the ones that you could just resume and you can click on whichever. Next, you have training or testing mode. You have to pass testing mode once, have it scoring above 70 in order to sit for the exam. And next, this pop-up is going to show. Make sure you download Gmetrix SMS on your Windows computer. I already downloaded, so I don't have to click download. And I'm also just going to exit out. So now I'm just going to press on the practice exam. I'm going to do it in training mode. Again, make sure to pass in testing mode with above 70 to start the exam. And now I'm just going to press on that to actually launch Gmetrix. And once Gmetrix is launched, I'm going to wait a bit. It normally takes a while, and voila, there you go. Now you're in the practice exam. You can go to the different tabs.